Hiccups are one of those strange body quirks we all experience, but what really causes them? A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. That quick spasm makes your vocal cords snap shut, and out comes the familiar hic sound. But why does it happen? Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even sudden excitement can irritate the diaphragm. Most hiccups go away on their own in a few minutes, but in rare cases, they can last for days. Scientists aren't fully sure why humans hiccup, but some believe it's a leftover reflex from our ancient ancestors. Funny or not, hiccups remind us how mysterious our bodies still are. Like, share, and subscribe to Brain Science for more.